Hey there, welcome to Time Out with B. My name is Blessing Oluwafunmilayo. In today's episode, I'm going to be explaining steps to make goal setting easier. Of course, I love goal setting and personal development, and that is what this channel is all about. And I'm constantly looking for ways to help you set better goals, to help you set achievable goals. I have to credit Ale Abdul for coming up with this system. It is called Anti-Wasteman system of setting goals, and I personally love it, and I think it is practical and it is something you also can use to set your goal and see them achieved in 2022. So pick up your pen and let us get started. On your screen right now, you see a worksheet, and the listed items there are the steps we're going to use to set our goals. Don't worry, this worksheet is available for free. Just click on the link in my description box below and you can download this free workbook to set your own personal goal for 2022. On the screen right now, I'm sure you can see dream. That is your goal. What is the goal you have for yourself? Then you'll see why are you setting the goal. The next one is SMART goal, and that is putting a time to it, making it specific, measurable. You all know what SMART goal is. Habits. This includes the habit you need to have in order to make that goal achievable. How surprised would I be if I fail? On a scale of 1 to 10, how surprised would you be? I think when you know how surprised you would be, it prepares you for disappointment, and it helps you foresee where there would be disappointment and how you can adequately address it. The next one is top 3 reasons for failing. So what are the top 3 reasons you would not achieve that goal? This is also like what I explained initially, that if you can foresee that, oh, this and this would not make me achieve this goal, you can look for a system or look for means in which to correct those things. Who can help me? Not what, but who. Who are the people you can enlist their help to help you in achieving that goal? You know, it takes a whole village to make a dream come through. I made that up. But sincerely, the truth is, before you can achieve success, you have to admit that you need beyond yourself. You need people to support you. Either you need your family member to understand that you're on this journey, or you need this person to hold you accountable. So who is in your life that can help you achieve that goal you have written down? Who are the people? And it's not necessarily human being. It can be a system. Maybe you have to join a support system. It's just like somebody saying, oh, I want to get out of this addiction. If I say who can help you, it will be, oh, I need to get a support group. I need to get a mentor. I need to get a coach. So who can support you in achieving that dream you have? And the second to the last one is actions. So what are the actions you need to take in order to achieve that goal? And that is very similar to habits. But habit is what needs to be part of you. It has to be part of your being to achieve that goal. Now, actions, what are the practical things you can do every single day to achieve that goal? And the last one, which was not on his own anti-wasteman system, but I have to put my own touch, get is rewards. I personally believe that when you are setting goals for yourself, especially disciplinary goals and things that you really want to achieve, setting a reward system for yourself is an excellent motivation. If you watch last week's video on the things I want to do in 2022, out of the several things I mentioned, I'm going to be picking one, and I'm going to be using this anti-wasteman system with a touch of blessing to set the goal. Okay, so what would be my dream? Write more. I want to get into the habit of writing. So why? Number 1, because it's going to be fun. Number 2, because I'll be able to express myself in another way outside of just talking and doing YouTube video. 3 is going to be good for publicity because I'm going to reach out to some people that I might never reach out to through my YouTube channel. Smart goal. I want to write 4 articles in a month, 4 articles and 4 newsletters in a month. For me, that is the timeline I'm setting for myself for this goal of writing. I know I'm stretching myself. For someone that really writes, saying I want to write 4 articles in 1 month is stretching it, but let's leave it there. Okay, the next one, habits. I have to develop the habit of writing, journaling. I need to develop the habit of writing. I need to develop the habit of journaling. How surprised would I be on a scale of 1 to 10 if I don't achieve this goal? Probably a 6.5. Yes, I will be quite surprised if I don't achieve it. Top 3 reasons for failing. So I would be surprised if I fail. Top 3 reasons would be because my schedule is overwhelmed. Like I didn't leave space for writing. So that would hinder me. Number 2, because I have a lot of pressing priorities this year, a lot of other things, other activities I needed to do or that popped up that I didn't plan and has taken the place of writing. That would be one of the reasons. Number 3, because I chickened out and I wasn't disciplined enough. Those are the 3 reasons why I would not achieve them. So who can help? This book can help. Who can help me? Number 1, having an accountability partner. 2, I need to join a writing club or a writing group, something that would motivate me to write. And 3, I can read books on writing. So when I read books on storytelling, on writing, that should prompt me to write better. The action I'm going to take is make sure I write for 1 hour every Saturday morning. Block out 30 minutes every day to journal my day, so that by Saturday morning, that 1 hour when I'm writing, I'm not blank. That is not when I'm doing my research. That is not when the writing looks foreign to me. And I would say 3, be disciplined. I will be disciplined with the time I've allocated to writing, and make sure I always carry a notepad with me everywhere I go to. So reward. What would I reward myself when I achieve this goal? Oh, interesting. I don't know.
A few moments later.
When I achieve my goal of putting out 4 content, 4 write-up, every month, and 4 newsletter every month, I can binge watch my favorite K-drama. I love K-drama, by the way. Thanks to Ali Abdul for the Anti-Wasteman system of goal setting, and I hope it helps you achieve your goal this year. I'm your favorite host, Blessing Oluwafunmilayo, and I hope to see you in my next video.